In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add another user profile to Progressive Insurance. To get started, go to the Progressive website or open the Progressive mobile app and log into the account using the primary policyholder's credentials. Make sure you're signing into the correct account since policy changes like this need to be made from the main policy access point. Once you're logged in, head to the Manage Policy section. This is where Progressive keeps the main tools for viewing and updating your policy details. Depending on whether you're using the website or the app, the layout may look slightly different, but the option to manage your policy should be clearly available from the main account area. From there, look for the Driver section. Open that area and select Add Driver, or a similar option if the wording is slightly different on your screen. This is the part of the account where you can update who is listed on the policy. Next, enter the new driver's information exactly as requested. This typically includes the person's full name, date of birth, driver's license number, and any other details Progressive asks for. It's a good idea to double check everything before moving forward because even small errors can delay the update or cause issues with the policy information. After that, review any premium changes. Progressive will usually calculate whether adding the new driver affects the cost of your policy before you finalize the update. This is an important step because adding a driver can sometimes increase or change your premium based on factors like driving history, age, or coverage details. Take a moment to read through the updated pricing carefully so you know exactly what will change. If everything looks correct, go ahead and submit the changes. Confirm the information, send the request, and allow Progressive to process the update. In many cases, your updated policy documents will become available shortly after the change is completed. Finally, verify the update by checking your revised policy documents. Make sure the new driver appears correctly and that all of the information matches what you entered. This final check helps confirm that the change was processed successfully and that your policy now reflects the added driver. And that's it. If you follow these steps carefully, you should be able to add another user profile, or more specifically, another driver to your Progressive insurance policy without much trouble.